People who have only fans, what is stopping you from upgrading to an air conditioner? I'm an average fan enjoyer. Contrary to its name, Freon is expensive. I can't have sex with an air conditioner. I'm Korean and I enjoy the thrill of electric fans. You just don't get that genuine life or death scenario with ACs. Source: https://en.m.wikipedia.org/wiki/fan_death. It took me way too long to get this joke. I need more coffee. The fan chops up the oxygen molecules and makes it more easier for me to suck them down. Sweat is a free lubricant. I can deal with the downsides. I'll call tomorrow. Because an air conditioner won't show me its butthole for $2.99 a month. The sound of the fan drowns the deafening silence of dread in my life. I think they don't need air conditioning, because they like to be naked. Unlock this answer for $70. That took me longer than I'd like to admit. I'm still waiting for my OnlyFans so I can afford one. Millions of years of evolution did not prepare me for this. Fans are cool. Costs too much on my power bill. I live on the ocean and the breeze is my air conditioner. The electricity bill. Okay, I needed longer than allowed to get this. ***AAAD! Exclamation mark. Asterisk. I like talking into it and sounding like a robot. Since I rent, there's not really a good place to put an air conditioner. Fans are more flexible and get the job done pretty well. AC can cause greenhouse effect and I'm doing my part in saving the earth. Except when it is 34 degrees Celsius and above, then my stand might waver. Serious answer. A fan uses about 1/10 the electricity. Saving the planet, and my finances, win-win. I am poor. This dude is fucking his AC unit. This shit gets upvoted. I will never fucking understand you, Reddit. I have central air. I just use the fan for white noise and cool air when I don't have the AC on. I tried posting my foot pictures into the aircon, but the engineer kept looking at me weird when he had to come repair it for the 3rd time. My only fan model is still working well enough. Dude, this legitimately took me like 20 minutes to get. I had to come back to this thread later. LMAO. They had us in the first half, not gonna lie. Dad jokes. This is my kind of joke. I mean, the fresh ones waving hand, medium skin tone. Climate change. AC uses way more energy than a fan. The noise helps me fall asleep. Blair. Fucking Blair, knock it off. I wish people didn't use Ask Reddit to post their lame puns and jokes. Way too many of these stupid joke posts lately. Thought this was our circle jerk for a sec. For shame on that subreddit for getting outdone. LMAO, they probably need more subscribers. Sticking my massive pipe out of the window. Haha, you're so quirky, woozy face. I don't even have fans. I read this 4 times before it clicked. Good one, Dad. I like the sound. Money. What about an upgrade to only suckers? Electricity bill will come more. I honestly just really like the noise. I read like 20 comments before I got the joke. Put me down. It's too expensive. Im from the UK. Total cost of purchase and install. Fans are more efficient and really I only desire AC 3 weeks out of the year. Pacific Northwest, a heat wave here is maybe 25 degrees Celsius for a month. Old house with odd-shaped windows, it also never gets too hot. Air conditioner is a luxury item in a lot of countries. I'm kind of understanding why the air conditioner in Brave Little Toaster went insane. He wanted to get out because of fuckers like Op. Fans have many more uses than an air conditioner. Some asshole designed the windows to open sideways instead of up, which means most air conditioners wouldn't fit and there wasn't one built in either. An air conditioner is nice and all, but it only blows you. It can't chop your dick, so that's a disadvantage. First world problems are lost on third world countries which have most issues because of lack of money. It's like saying, starving people, why don't you eat? My workout plan says I can't use an air conditioner for 3 years. I'm renting the place and would need to convince my landlord to install AC. However, the summer is short where I live, so not even fans are worth it. Can't make the Darth Vader voice with an air conditioner. Electricity prices are stupid in Germany. It's so high. Getting an electric car can be an increase in gas price if you don't have your own personal solar energy operation going on. Mine has a really solid fan base. I'd like to hold on to that. They aren't hot enough. I see what you did there. Nice try. Air conditioner industry. Music score cause free on ain't free. It takes folks like you and me musical notes. Tears of joy, tears of joy. I sleep in the fridge. Reddit sucks lol. How many people spent money on awarding this stupid joke? I have such a weird boner from these comments. As of this writing, there is 726 comments. 720, estimated, of them deserve an asterisk R, whoosh asterisk response. I like the sound it makes when it's turned on. It's way more portable. I can bring it to any room in the house and still be blown right away. I hate to admit that I p. Sadly, this took me a second to comprehend. Poverty. I'm so ashamed of how long it took me to comprehend the title. Wait. What? I don't understand this. We wanted to upgrade but the landlord won't allow it, and now we are getting thrown out here, so we are kind of happy we didn't drop any money on getting the AC installed. I'm literally pondering this out in real life. I live a simple outdoor life and an AC just doesn't seem reasonable. A fan is all I need. I just open windows. Because with an AC I can't say, "Babe, show me your butthole," while also sounding like Darth Vader. I see what you did there. I love some of the inadvertently wholesome comments that are popping up. Smile with a halo, smiling face with hearts, you sweet and precious humans. I actually have only heater, but that's because it functions as both. Because our house is old as balls and we don't have central air. I'm installing my AC unit at some point. It hurts my neck. I live in a third world country. Power doesn't have that much amps, so we can only have one AC that we use rarely, otherwise the power bill goes up. It's only really hot for about 1 week every year. It makes no sense to replace the fans with an air conditioner. Fuck this post. I've been on the fence with this one since the weather has gotten warmer. I can't seem to seal the window enough to get rid of the bugs that find their way in. My single-phase electricity meter. My electric bill will skyrocket if I run my aircon the same amount of time I use my fan. Probably the cost. I live in the UK. Don't even have a fan. A few weeks each year. At most. It's hot and I ask my husband to agree to us buying a fan. Every year he says it's not worth it. I'm just not that hot. The caressing breeze. The continuous moan. The curvaceous arm-like blades. The rhythmic pulse. The seductive shadows. The instant turning on. Dad. Have you ever got your dick stuck in an AC? Way worse than in a fan. Oh, here I thought we were going in a different direction. I'm from Britain. I only need fans on for like 2 months. Air conditioning in a house is an alien concept to me. If you stick your ass in front of a fan, you can hear whistling. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.